Sunday, April the 5th, 2026. We were hoping for a very nice, pretty Easter Sunday with plenty of sunshine to get some nice Easter video, but it doesn't look like it'll be that way, so we will just be happy with what we have. It is about 7:30, 65 degrees. Not going much higher today, I don't think. Down to about 46 tonight. We are headed across to for family get together at Easter. I'm going to go through, I don't know if I'll go through Decatur, just go through Atlanta. But we will be getting video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is the second video with the Samsung S26 Ultra in full HD 4K video. This one's going to be a short one just to let you know what we're doing today. Even though it's cloudy and rainy, we probably will get 10 to 12, 15 videos. I don't know if I'll post all of them or not, but we'll post some at least. So, ride along with us. We'll be documenting Easter Sunday, 26th, through Atlanta. This may make driving through Atlanta better for the traffic. People may not get out as much. I don't know. I'm sure the faithful will, I guess they still have sunrise service at Stone Mountain. Just because it's raining, I guess is no reason not to go. And the whole purpose is celebrating the resurrection. So a little rain shouldn't deter anyone. Windshield's starting to fog up a little bit. We're going to put defrost on. But our settings for this are 16:9 aspect ratio, ultra high definition, which is 4K, 30 frames a second. And we will be getting rainy day videos today, low light rainy day videos. I do not know what all will be open today. I think Publix, the Ingles are closed. I don't know about Kroger, Walmart. I don't know about any of those. We'll see as we cut across. Okay, well this one is almost 4 minutes long. It'll be an introduction to what we're doing today, Easter Sunday. We're going to turn this one off and start uploading it, get it up. This will be the second S26 Ultra video and the T-Mobile upload test to see how fast they get uploaded.